Forever young, forever young, we forever young, shining bright under the shining sun.
Good morning, well, good afternoon, everybody. It is Monday, January 29th, and it is the first day of my last day of undergraduate school. Like, what? That is just crazy to me. Like, oh my God, I'm literally about to graduate. So, I have on like a really just chill fit. I didn't really feel like it today. Shoes, jean jacket, like nothing serious. So right now I'm getting my bag ready. So I got a bunch of snacks in my bag because I forgot to cook dinner last night. Like, I just went straight to sleep. So yeah, I actually don't even have any I don't have like any books like right in. I don't know why I'm so unprepared, because I've been waiting for this day like the longest time. So yeah, I'm just gonna use one of my old books from last semester, and when I get to school, I probably am gonna, like, after my class, I'm gonna go and get some new books. I'm taking 6 classes this semester, so y'all know the first like class is like usually just straight to the point, like no, not really any work, just basically like it's basically like syllabus week. So I don't think I really need that much, but alright. So y'all know I catch the shuttle to school, so that's what I'm about to do right now. It should be on its way. It said 22 minutes, like 10 minutes ago. So okay, I'm so ashy. Oh my God, where's my lipstick? Where's my earphone? You guys, look what we have. We have a new camera. Yes, we, not me, we. Okay, because this camera is for y'all. Let's open it. So, can y'all see me? Look, I ain't gotta ask that question no more after this, because I'm gonna be able to know if y'all see me. I'm gonna have a viewfinder. Yes, Ace. Yes, we got a new camera. Okay, so the people just came to my door for my BG&E, and I was like, what the hell? Because I just paid it. But they was just trying to give me a cheaper rate or whatever. And it was a girl there. She was cute, and she asked me like what the package was, because my package came when they was doing my stuff, and he was like, she was like, what you got to do camera for what? And I'm like, I do YouTube videos. So she followed me on YouTube. So hey girl. But yeah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. So I'm about to flip this over. So I'm going to be using the new camera. This is a new camera. I'm going to do a video on it just so y'all can, like, you know, see or whatever. But I'm about to flip this over so y'all can see the vlog on this camera. It's actually on dead, but we're going to fix that. So yeah, next time you'll see me, I'll be using this camera. Alright guys, I just came back from the store. I had to get some more cereal because the cereal that I got, the Chex Mix, I don't know what was wrong with it. I think it's like old, so it's like really like stale and nasty. So I'm going to throw this away, and I'm going to put my Lucky Charms in there. I went to the store and I got some nail glue because my nail broke. I broke my nail, but it literally broke completely, like off, like the whole freaking nail. And I'm going out tonight, and I don't want my nail to be looking like stupid. So I'm going to glue this on. I'm going to go get my nails done tomorrow before we go to the day party. So yeah, I'm playing some music on my laptop.
This man, he's followed me all the way here from Boston. I'm calling the cops. I want him arrested.
What is this? It's you saying.
He's here.
Oh, unsane.
You should be protecting me. Mom, no one believes me. I'm getting you out.
Oh, that look good. Yeah, watching the music video. They keep wanting to play this song. I don't want to hear this song. We can play this song. Alright, and okay, my hair is not done yet. I'm about to literally like put my hair on and like get in the shower and get ready. But right now I'm about to mold my wig down because I want to do a middle part. These are my wigs. I'm trying to mold it like to lay down. I can't do this with one hand, so. Alright y'all, I'm leaving out. You can't even really see my outfit, but I just got on like a onesie. I'm trying to like fix my hair because it's like doing the most right now. Don't like it. It's gonna become a side part by the end of the night. Be back, Ace. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't know why. It's not like flat enough. I think that's what my issue is. I need to get a hot comb because I need this to look like flat. And they were saying in order to like make it lay flat, you gotta get a hot comb. So I'm gonna get a hot comb. So we're about to go to the bar. Yeah, we're about to go to the bar. I just texted Naja and told her that I was leaving out. So yeah, let's go. Hey y'all! Oh, look at my hair. What the hell? It dropped. It a little bit of it.
Looks fine. Oh, on this side, just like two curls there.
Okay. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Girl, I don't care. Shit. Alright. We're waiting for Jade. I feel like
we should be, because she said she's leaving out the house, we should be good.
Oh. I'm just gonna keep getting ashy. Wow. Cause it's cold out. Okay. I feel like I need to like, you know, wear lip liner. Just to make sure. I got deodorant on my shirt, but I got this see-through like mesh shirt with this. It's a dress. It's not even a shirt. It's a dress.
What you doing? How far are you away? It literally says
You can see ourselves. Look.
Oh, that's cute.
It is. Oh,
How convenient.
she has it. You can see yourself.
Oh, I knew already.
Oh yeah, she did. Hey, pretty girl. Hey, pretty girl. Oh, me. At this point, listen. I hate my city. I can't wait to move, and I'm over it. Okay. That's what he need to say. I see your snap and I love you, so he just like you. How about that, sis?
Wait, then after the first time I ignored him. He got that. You love me.
We leaving?
Back hard. She was like, you better turn your ass around.
Bobby, I know. I'm sorry. I'm homeless. I'm hungry.
Y'all, we walking to the car, okay? Let me tell y'all something. This fucking dress. Keep riding up. Look at them. This is just a walking if they don't even care that I'm back here all alone. Good morning, everybody. I'm about to cook me some breakfast, so I'm making some bacon. Come on, some bacon, some an egg. That's my lunch for later. I'm gonna make some chicken, chicken breast. I'm probably gonna make like a little snack wrap or something like that. And I'm about to make me some pancakes in my little pancake waffle maker thingamajig. So, yeah. Ace has to go to the groomers at 9:30. It's almost 9 right now. So, I'm going to hurry up and eat and get everything ready so we can go and do that. I need to find my birth certificate because I need to go get my passport. But I don't know what my birth certificate is. So, we need to find that. But right now, I'm starving. So, let's get this going. Has anybody ever told y'all, focus. Has anybody ever told y'all bacon cooks faster in the oven? And you don't have to keep turning and shifting and all that good stuff. Just throw it in the oven. Look, it burnt 3 of them. I didn't even know. I didn't think it was done already. Because that was quick. But it's done. I'm forever going to get my bacon in the oven now. It only goes in the oven. Hey. Stay right there. You about to go get a haircut, Poppy, in the bath. So you can smell good. Don't you get in my lap, damn it. Don't do it. Don't you do it. We're heading to the groomers. The groomers is literally right up the street. So it's like 9:25 and he has to be there at 9:30. So we're going. Look at him. He's so anxious. You're anxious, Poppy. Hi. Look who's back. Look who got a haircut. Yes. The baby's hair is cut. Yeah, look at mommy. Hi. Hey, you're adorable. You're the cutest little thing. Yeah. He's back in action. He need to put his sweater on. She took his flea collar off, so now I need to buy another flea collar. Adorable.